Alright, so I like to trust my printer, or like I say, test its limits. So as you can see, I got like a lot of supports going on the inside and at the centerpiece of the mount. But you'll see like right here for this tube, I don't have anything going under, and I definitely should. As well as under this little piece right here. But one thing that's really good about 3D printing is the more you do it, the more you learn what your printer can do. So I've printed like a Darth Vader mask that has like this same thing like that, in the same exact orientation, and it actually succeeded. So that's why I knew that that would work. But that just goes into a little bit of why you seen my last fail. Sometimes I just don't want to put supports because it takes a lot more time. I put the support infill at about 1%, and even so, it still takes a little bit of time. So these, I knew that they would come out a little funky. This one came out a lot better than that one. I didn't expect the whole thing, like even the bottom, because it's essentially printed in air. I know eventually it will connect, because it's all printed as one. So I knew it would connect at a certain point, but I was expecting to just have like two little pieces of like, just that, just crap. That's pretty cool. So yeah, definitely always check your orientations. Don't be like me and be lazy. Put your supports on overhangs, just to save yourself some time. Because now, as you can see, I'm back to square one. But I could have already been done, but hey, it is what it is.